Reddit stocks in general, they were rising in today's session. One of these names is seeing a lot of love among option traders specifically. Mike Coe has the action. Mike.
Yeah, so the name we're looking at is AMC, although I'll quickly point out that GameStop also traded more than 4 times its average daily call volume today. But AMC, this is one that traded well over 2 times its average daily options volume. That put it on the podium. It was number 3 in terms of single stock options volume contracts traded today, trading nearly 740,000 contracts overall, calls significantly outpacing puts. And the most active options were the weekly 20-strike calls that expire at the end of this week. Buyers were paying just under 40 cents to buy those, obviously betting that the rally that we've been seeing in some of these Reddit names might continue through week's end.
Mike, you said GameStop had a lot of activity as well. Was it anything very unusual? I mean, it was a 30% gain today, and then the chairman announces that he's increased the stake. I don't know. Makes you wonder.
It was about the 15th most active single stock option GameStop was, and it traded 4 times its average daily call volume, well over 200,000 contracts. That represents about 20 million shares. And to put things in perspective, when we're talking about these big volumes, if you have a float like AMC does of about 500 million shares, you're talking about nearly 15% of the entire shares outstanding that are trading on the option side in a single day. So this is pretty notable activity.
All right. Guy, you know, on your smart board before, you wrote CFO buying as it pertains to Callaway Golf. Here we have chairman buying an increasing stake. So is that a positive for GameStop?
So I know what you're saying. You got to be consistent, Swizz. If it's good for Callaway, it's got to be good for GameStop or AMC and you're right about that. And it's funny. I think the General was on when they reported GameStop, and we said, look, it wasn't an earnings story on the way up. It's not one now. I thought the stock would probably sort of continue to sort of gravitate back down towards 50, and here we are at 100. Again, just one more sign, in my opinion, of a market that's a wee bit broken, Melms.
All right. Mike, thank you. Mike Coe with the Options Action there. And for more Options Action, you can catch our full show every Friday, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time.